Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer TRX from MetaMask to Kraken in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know TRX is the native token of the Tron blockchain, and moving it between wallets and exchanges can sometimes feel tricky. But don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, keeping it simple and straightforward. By the end, you'll be transferring your TRX like a pro. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a MetaMask wallet with TRX in it. Remember, TRX runs on the Tron network, so if you're using MetaMask, you'll have to add the Tron network manually. Open MetaMask and go to the network dropdown. Select Custom RPC and enter the Tron network details. For the RPC URL, use something like https://appy.trongrid.io. The chain ID is 1 for mainnet, and the currency symbol is TRX. Once that's done, double-check that your TRX balance shows up. Next, head over to Kraken. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the deposit section. Search for TRX, and it should give you a unique deposit address, something like a Tron address starting with T. Copy that address carefully. It's super important to get this right to avoid losing your funds. Now, back in MetaMask, switch to your TRX account if you have multiple. Click on Send, and paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, but leave enough for any network fees. Tron fees are usually pretty low, but they can vary. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're confident, hit Confirm, and approve the transaction with your wallet. After that, sit tight. Transactions on Tron are generally fast, but it might take a minute or two to confirm. Once it's done, check your Kraken account to see if the TRX has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it a bit more time or check the Blockchain Explorer. A quick tip: always use this on a testnet first if you're new, and never share your private keys. Security is key in crypto. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.